Welcome to 1180 Commissioners Road West, unit number 107, nestled in the heart of beautiful Byron. If you've been searching for the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and lifestyle, this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo might just be your dream home. Step inside and experience a bright, open living space designed to make you feel right at home. The updated kitchen features modern finishes, perfect for cooking your favorite meals or hosting friends. The spacious primary bedroom is your private retreat, complete with a walkout to your personal balcony, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee with soaking up some fresh air. With 2 generously sized bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a stylish ensuite, this home is ideal for families, downsizers, or anyone looking for extra comfort. This building has it all: secure underground parking, an indoor pool for year-round relaxation, and unbeatable access to everything that Byron has to offer. Located directly across from the stunning Springbank Park, you'll have access to trails, green space, and picnic areas just steps from your door. Byron's vibrant shops, cafes, and community feel are right at your fingertips. This is more than just a condo, it's a lifestyle. Don't wait to make 1180 Commissioners Road, unit number 107, your new home. Schedule a private viewer today and let us help you take the next step in your journey. Thank you for joining us. Remember to subscribe for more great property tours, and we look forward to talking to you on another day.